guys, my name is Lupita. Welcome back to my channel. This time we will be doing something a bit different. We will be making coffee bread. For this recipe, these are the things you are going to need. It's going to be milk, baking powder, coffee, flour, sugar, 2 eggs, and softened butter. Don't worry about writing these down. At the end of the video, there is a page you guys can screenshot. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So for the first step, you need 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. So now that we've got all those ingredients in there, we will give those a quick mix so we can start adding our wet ingredients. First, we need 2 eggs. We'll need a 1/2 cup of softened butter, either salted or unsalted work just fine. And lastly, you will need 1 cup of milk. Now once we've added those wet ingredients, we will mix together until we have a thick and creamy batter. We will make this into a loaf today, but you can do a 9x9 cake or 12 cupcakes. For a loaf, you will be baking for 45 to 55 minutes or until you insert a pick or a knife and it comes out clean. So there you have it. That is coffee cake for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.